Providence Hospital. Near the northeast entrance, we got 2 more elevators. Hold that door for a second. Now it looks like we're going up and down. This button is technically an Atom survivor button. It's also California compliant too. Does work. Awesome. Okay. Let's get a look at the elevator cab. That lantern even stays lit too while it's moving. That's pretty cool. I was gonna try and make it ring like it's going down. That was elevators 4 and 5. Northeast entrance here at the outpatient center of Beaumont Hospital. I'm sorry, Ascension Providence Hospital, Novi Michigan. I was also at Beaumont earlier today. Anyway, that will be it.